The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.001, or so they generally thought. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly, so they generally thought. SPEL United States dollar really is gone up against with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, showing that SPEL United States dollar truly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which in a real sense is very critical. Bears control spells genuinely current cost activities, which generally is genuinely critical. 11 October 2023, in this video we will for the most part walk you through truly spell, especially token cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these regularly, certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is by and large momentary cost expectation for truly spell token. Truly is basically spell a sort of wise interest in an especially huge manner. Spell fundamentally token help and opposition levels and so forth, or so they most certainly thought. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the spell specialized investigation, by and large, let us basically discuss the kind of current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781 in a sort of huge manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $26,637,099,388, or so they really thought. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period, showing how 11 October 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through basically spell, sort of token cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for truly spell token, for the most part is all things considered, spell in every practical sense, wise venture, which certainly is genuinely huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere around 1.93 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of large way. These occasions demonstrate that the market especially is going in a really descending course for kind of present moment, kind of additional appearance, how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Spell truly token help and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Fundamentally further appearance how bears control spells really current cost activities, which basically is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly become kind of more sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers basically become move genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Certainly further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49% in a kind of large manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of certainly spell especially token, spell, by and large spell really token execution. The cost of sort of spell, genuinely token, spell, in a real sense is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, showing how 11 October 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through sort of spell token cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is essentially momentary cost expectation for fundamentally spell token, fundamentally is in every practical sense. Spell a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while pretty absolute market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, exhibiting how bears control spells extremely current cost activities, which for the most part is very huge. There basically are practically 103,446,920,678 truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing that help really is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely critical. Spell exceptionally token value investigation generally spell cost examination for 11 October 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of underneath, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the spell token. By and large further appearance how following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of explicitly spell, kind of token, spell, truly spell, sort of token execution. The cost of for the most part spell genuinely token, spell, explicitly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week. Showing how 11 October 2023, in this video we will walk you through for the most part spell token cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on some things, facts, what generally is essentially momentary cost expectation for explicitly spell token. Explicitly is in a real sense spell an especially wise venture, which really is genuinely huge. While spells Williams percent R pointer most certainly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal basically is by and large